Looking for the best gaming PCs 2025? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 3. HP Omen 45L. For the longest time, the best gaming PCs were cursed with weird proprietary cases that required bespoke motherboards and power supplies that were nearly impossible to replace. HP used to be one of the biggest offenders here, but over the last few generations, its Omen gaming PCs have drastically changed how it makes its gaming towers. The HP Omen 45L isn't just one of my favorite gaming PCs, I've even built a complete custom PC in its case, and that's not something I'd dream to attempt in most pre-built gaming PC chassis. It's a spacious gaming rig with a ton of room for upgrades, able to support custom water cooling loops and giant graphics cards like the RTX 5080 without even beginning to worry about it bumping into anything important. This makes the HP Omen 45L a gaming PC that I'd recommend buying the entry-level model of, even if it comes with a paltry 512GB SSD and an RTX 5070. This is one of the easiest pre-builts to tinker with, and upgrading to a bigger SSD and a more beefy graphics card later down the line when you can afford it is going to be a breeze. That being said, this is a premium gaming PC with a premium price, starting at $1,999 before discounts. Trust me, there are always discounts. That price nets you an Intel Core Ultra 7 265K, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. That config isn't bad, easily able to power through pretty much any AAA PC game without breaking a sweat. It's a high sticker price, but it's absolutely worth it if you want a PC case that isn't complete trash. You'll be using the same case for years, building up war stories from upgrading your rig like any PC gamer that's built their own PC. My own PC case is a Cooler Master HAF 500p mesh, and I've been maintaining and upgrading that PC for more than 5 years now. The HP Omen 45L chassis is one of the only times I've thought about swapping PC cases, and that should tell you something. Product specifications. CPU. Intel Core Ultra 7 265K. GPU. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. RAM. 32GB DDR5. Storage. 2TB SSD, system. Weight. 49.82 pounds. Size. 8.03 by 18.5 by 21.85 inches, WXDXH. Number 2. iBuyPower Trace 7 Mesh Gaming Desktop. Not all gaming PCs are either prohibitively expensive or lack power with dated hardware, and the iBuyPower Trace 7 Mesh Gaming Desktop is proof. With it comes the latest 14th generation Intel Core i7 processor for speedy performance in everyday tasks and games. When paired with the best budget GPU, NVIDIA's RTX 4060, this rig has enough processing headroom to sail through games in 1080p at high frame rates. Looking to play in 1440p? It shouldn't have a problem cruising through non-ray trace games like Total War, Warhammer 3. The iBuyPower Trace 7 Mesh Gaming Desktop is even a viable option for those ready to dip their toes in game streaming, as its current-gen processors partner perfectly with the 32GB of high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM. So, running Twitch along with a game shouldn't slow things down too much. Storage wasn't overlooked, a 1TB SSD is baked in for speedy app launches and saves. Even if this gaming PC isn't as powerful as some premium options, it still gets hot. Luckily, the case is roomy with mesh at the front and top panels for proper airflow and ventilation. 3 ARGB fans at the front and 1 at the back aid in keeping things frosty. However, better cooling options couldn't hurt. Luckily, iBuyPower has made things relatively easy to upgrade. With NVIDIA's RTX 5000 series and 15th gen Intel Arrow Lake processors dropping sometime in the not-too-distant future, it's nice to have the option to update hardware rather than starting from scratch. Just be sure the B760D5 motherboard in 600W PSU can handle those newer components. Given all that's on offer for less than $1,500, the iBuyPower Trace 7 Mesh Gaming Desktop is a great value. What helps elevate this budget gaming PC even further is the inclusion of a gaming keyboard and mouse with some flashy RGB lighting. These aren't the best peripherals out there, but perfect for those just beginning their gaming journey. Product specifications. CPU. Intel Core i7-14700F. GPU. NVIDIA RTX 4060. RAM. 32GB DDR5 5600 MHz. Storage. 2TB SSD. Weight. 35 pounds. Size. 19.3 inches by 8.66 inches by 18.9 inches. Number 1. Asus ROG NUC. Shopping for a mini gaming PC is an exercise in compromise. You can get an extremely small gaming PC like the Asus ROG NUC, but in order for the chassis to get down to that size, there are major losses in performance. Asus handles this by equipping the ROG NUC with a mobile-class RTX 5080 and an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, the latter of which is typically found in ultrabooks. This is more than enough horsepower to power most games at 1080p, but you will run into issues at higher resolutions, especially in demanding games like Black Myth, Wukong. Now, I haven't reviewed this year's model of the Asus ROG NUC. However, I did review last year's Asus ROG NUC with this in mind, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well it handled games at 1080p. At that resolution, I was able to run pretty much any game under the sun at maxed out settings while maintaining 60 frames per second. That's impressive, given that the PC is basically the size of a cable box and can fit pretty much anywhere. And now that it's been updated with Blackwell graphics, the performance should be a bit better, though Nvidia's RTX 5000 series hasn't had quite the glow-up some folks were hoping for. All of this makes it an excellent home theater PC that can also play PC games. And if you're comfortable tweaking game graphics settings, this mini gaming PC would make a perfect companion for a 4K TV. You can store your media library there and have instant access to your movies and TV shows, while also being able to boot up Steam and play your games when you want to. Just keep in mind that you can likely get similar performance from a gaming laptop most of the time. Product specifications. CPU. Intel Core U Ultra 9. GPU. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, RTX 5080. RAM. 16GB, 48GB DDR5. Storage. 2TB PCIe 4.0 and 0.2 SSD. Weight. 6.88 pounds. Size. 11.1 by 7.39 by 2.2 inches, WXDXH.